Over 700 videos produced and over 250 million views, but it wasn't easy. I almost gave up, but I did this to carry on. You see, when I was making gaming videos and I got over 10 million views, I decided to stop, but there was a reason for it. And since that channel, I have worked on so many different projects in so many different niches for different channels out there, and it's been great fun. And here is what I've learnt over the past decade. I've spent probably close to thousands of hours studying analytics and seeing why some videos do well and some don't. And here is what I've learnt. Just because you put in more effort into a video does not mean it will get more views than a video where you only put in maybe 10 minutes of effort. I learned that the hard way. I spent literally 5 full days editing this video you can see on the screen, and it didn't get as many views as my most viewed video on my gaming channel. As you can see, the gaming channel video has got over 1.5 million views, and you can kind of see why by the title and thumbnail. But this video here took me so much longer, I put in so much more effort, and I got so much little back in return. And linked to that, I did 3 collaborations with W2S, who has over 16 million subscribers on his channel, and I didn't capitalize enough. We did 3 different collabs, and I didn't produce enough videos after it that were a similar topic to the collab we did. So that is a mistake that I made, which I've learned from. If your video hits the algorithm, or if you've done a collab and you're getting so much attraction in one go, you need to ride that wave as much as possible, which is where I went wrong. I did not do this. But here's the next mistake that most small channels make, and it's the reason why a lot of your channels never ever hit the algorithm properly. You might have one video that does well, but if your other videos are not related to that topic, then your channel is not going to be pushed properly, because the audience that have come from that most viewed video are not going to be interested in your other videos. So you've got to make the videos all similar. You've got to think of one video being one seed planted, right? And you want to create all these different seeds that are planted, and then boom, you've got a whole forest of videos created that are literally the exact same type of topic and type of video for the same type of audience. So that's another thing that I learnt the hard way. I was not producing the same type of video for the same audience, and I struggled to actually be able to push some of these people that I was getting through collaborations to my other content. Another thing is, when starting out your channel especially, you need to delete that YouTube Studio app. If you do not delete it, you're gonna be so emotionally drained, trust me, because your video can suddenly flatline on the graph, which means it's not picking up any more impressions or views, and then suddenly your mood changes. Your mood will change dramatically, because you're suddenly feeling like, damn, I'm terrible, this video is not great, and I'm not gonna get any more views. This is literally what I've been through so many times, and every single time I start a new channel, I get the Studio app back, and then I delete it, because I realise, what is the point of me having it? I literally should just check the YouTube Studio app once a day, and then leave it at that. Personally, on my gaming channel, I fell out in love with FIFA, so I stopped posting because I wasn't able to actually sustain that channel and actually produce videos I wanted to. And since I stopped that gaming channel, I've been managing client channels and actually doing video presenting just like this as well, and I've really enjoyed it, and it's exactly where I found my passion was, and now I'm actually making videos on this channel now. Before we carry on, I want you guys to comment down below under the pinned comments that I've left and tell everyone what your niche is so people can subscribe to each other if it's relevant to what you're interested in. So leave a comment down below with your niche, and let's all help each other out and subscribe. I want to build a community around here, so let's go ahead and do it. Go down below and comment. You see, another thing where I went wrong is I tried to experiment and reinvent the wheel. Especially when starting out as a new or small channel, you need to actually be looking at your competitors and seeing what videos have done well, how they've packaged the video, whether that's the title and the thumbnail, and you want to be replicating that. I learned over time that 9 out of 10 times you can just replicate what has done well before in your niche and just add in something new and unique. That's all you have to do. It's not copying, it's literally what channels like Mr. Beast do, and all these different channels out there in different niches. Big channels can afford to test new concepts out, but you as a new or small channel cannot afford to do this, and that is where you'll fail. But here's the other thing. Failing actually isn't that bad. Failing is actually good, especially as a new or small creator, because failing is exactly how you're going to learn what videos are going to do well and what videos are not. But imagine your channel fails anyway. No one is going to see it. So if you think about it like that, encourage failure, because no one's going to see your channel anyway if it flops. And if they do see it, then you've made another mistake. Do not send your channel to friends or family. This is exactly where I went wrong in some of my new channels that I was starting up, because your friends and family do not care about your YouTube channel. I'm sorry to say, but they're probably not the right target audience you're looking to hit. Worst case, if you're looking for feedback on the video, then simply just send them the Google Drive link and not via YouTube. and then you can get your feedback, and then that's it. Back in 2019, I created a new YouTube channel, hired video editors, hired graphic designers, hired everyone you could think of, and it flopped, and I wasted thousands and thousands of dollars. And this is the reason why. I was targeting nobody in these videos, and that's the exact reason why I do not recommend you to just make videos about anything on one channel. So there goes, over 700 videos produced and thousands for clients, 250 million views across my whole portfolio, and those are the main lessons that I've learned. So I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you did, and make sure you leave a comment down below with what niche you're in so you can actually gain subscribers. But if you want to watch my other video, which is all to do with settings which you should be enabling on your channel right now to actually gain success, especially if you're a new or small creator, this one's for you. So check it out over here. I'll see you there. It's jam-packed, full of info.